Welcome to AudiFab. In today's video, we'll show you how to DJ with Spotify. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got 6 incredible ways for you. While Spotify may not offer direct DJ software support, don't worry, check the 6th solution below. First up, Method 1. DJing with Spotify on any DJ app. The secret to using Spotify tracks on any DJ software is converting them into DJ-friendly formats, like MP3 or WAV. AudiFab Spotify Music Converter is your go-to tool, allowing record songs in high quality and keep the lyrics. To use AudiFab, open it on your computer. Find the playlist you want to use in DJ from the pop-up Spotify app. Click the Add button. Here, pick one song for example. Click Add. Go to Settings. Choose Spotify Record and 320 kbps. Select output formats as MP3 or others that are compatible with your DJ apps. Click Convert. To save time, we speed up here. When the conversion is done, your output folder will pop up. You can then check your MP3. You can drag and drop the song to any DJ app, like Recordbox. Next, Method 2. Use Crossfade and Auto Mix on Spotify. Click Profile, Setting. Turn on Crossfade Songs and Auto Mix. Moving on to Method 3, transfer Spotify tracks to other services. Use tools like Soundiz to transfer your Spotify favorites to other DJ software supported platforms like Tidal. Then you can DJ with Spotify songs via Tidal. Method 4, match Spotify music from YouTube with DJ.studio. You can find YouTube versions of your Spotify playlist and seamlessly mix them in your DJ set. For our 5th method, free DJ apps compatible with Spotify, MixOnset Pacemaker, and JQBX allow you to add Spotify to your mix, but note that they require a Spotify Premium subscription, and may have geographical restrictions. Lastly, Method 6, purchase official songs. To legally use music in commercial DJ sets, buy songs from platforms like iTunes or Beatport, ensuring high quality, ad-free tracks for your mixes. Thanks for watching. For more tips, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.